Alright, what's up my friend? This is Anders Larsson and welcome to my next video. What we're gonna talk about today is the debt gravestone. If you don't know why I'm doing the Graveyard of Internet Marketing series or the Affiliate Marketing series, then it is because some of you are going to start an online business and I really don't want to see you quit the first thing you do. I don't want you to give up before you get your first sale, before you see that your online business is going to work out for you. So what I really want to do is to vaccinate you to make you more resilient of what's to come in your journey. There will be a couple of circumstances along the way where you might start to doubt what you're doing, circumstances that will take you by surprise. So if you have taken the vaccination that you receive in this video, then you likely recognize what is happening and you will come through on the other side of the gravestone unharmed and ready to take on the next challenge. Alright, so without further ado, let's dive into today's content, which is the debt gravestone. In the first video we talked about the purchase gravestone, and this is where most people quit because, well, in my case, I never felt like investing because to me it was a bit icky and scammy. I visualized me joining a program and then say goodbye to what I paid and receive the same bullshit on the back end as I would receive anywhere else. And probably right now there are affiliate programs that are exactly like that. No support in the back end and someone else taking my money, and when I try to reach out, the guy promoting the program just isn't anywhere to be found. Every time I had such opportunity, I decide to make it on my own. And sure, I saved a lot of money that way, but guess what? I paid 8 years of my time. Time that I never can get back. 8 freaking years. But on the other side, I got a very clear picture what's out there, what doesn't really work. I only wish that I'd tried to model video marketers much earlier. But maybe I would have gotten stuck in the shiny object tomb. So honestly, I don't really know. Alright, so continuing on, the next gravestone was the technical difficulty gravestone or the tech gravestone, getting stuck with all the technical stuff, but especially paying for all the services, which is related to the debt gravestone, which I will talk about in just a moment. In the previous video we talked about the shiny object tomb, very shiny, very sad, a lot of people quit, and now we dive into the debt gravestone. You have been going pretty far in your journey and you just escaped the shiny object tomb and you told yourself, I'm gonna continue on. I'm gonna stick with the opportunity that I'm already in. Alright, so now maybe you are already in a relationship, maybe you have friends that you socialize with, alright, a spouse, friends, and you see those lifestyle videos. You see rich people showing off their sports cars. You see them traveling the world, talking about getting rich. Maybe in a training you learned about projecting your future you, how you would live your life as someone successful, someone with money, and you tell yourself, you know what, let's do this. I'm gonna invest. I'm gonna go all in. I'm gonna buy a high-ticket digital franchise. I'm gonna invest in all the best tools. And then I'm gonna buy some expensive clothes and maybe a new car. Do you know what I'm getting at? Well, maybe you can't afford it. You want to start a business for a reason, to make money. Duh. So, what do? Do you take a loan? Payday loans? Super easy to get hold of money. And sky-high interest rates. Guess what? You made the biggest mistake in your life. Spiraling debt. This has to be the worst thing you can do. Take a payday loan to afford the things in your business. I guess you already know this. I hope you already know this. I see an online business as a timeline in what you do in your journey, when to do it, when it's time to scale up, and when to do the big investment. So in an online business you are doing the long-term game and you rather build your skills than investing in everything that is thrown at you. I mean, you can get away very cheap with a web host and WordPress, use a free web design plugin called Elementor, And that setup is even more powerful than paying $100 per month on ClickFunnels. Because if you have your own web host, you can pretty much do everything. Now you face the frustration with debt, like studio loans, a mortgage loan, your spouse and friends see you spend a lot of time with your online business. It is putting stress on your relationship. You got to pay the bills, right? But because of the debt, you feel unable to breathe and you feel like you're sinking. And then you hear those voices. Get a job. It's the only way. Come on, just get a real job. Get out of that. You repeatedly hear those voices from yourself, from your spouse, from your friends, and so you quit. And this is probably the most common reason why people quit. The way that I see things is you can have a job and run an online business at the same time. And most online marketers do in the beginning. So you only need to find time. And if you are really serious, you will find time. You gotta push through. You gotta escape the debt gravestone and stride your way through the cemetery. Slow and decisive. Be resilient. You have the blueprint. You have the plan. Follow it. Don't deviate. And don't invest in what you don't need. If you are spending money on paid ads, then just spend a little bit. Don't go crazy. In the training on Legendary, you will learn how to spend frugally on paid ads. So anyway, you tell your spouse, you tell your friend, I'm gonna do this. It's the only way. And if I give up, things will never get better. Things will never change. Alright, I think we are done here. If you have any questions about what we talked about in this video, then feel free to write a comment down below this video. If you have already started creating content, blogs or videos about online marketing, then just keep doing videos. Don't ever stop creating content. And I know this is hard in the beginning because you don't get any love from Google, from Facebook, from YouTube, but you will get there. You will absolutely get there if you are consistent. If you do this on a consistent basis. So keep trying to get better, and you have everything that you need in the back end of Legendary Marketer. The training is absolutely molded for you to succeed in content creation. You will absolutely learn crucial strategies and find many aha moments. This is what I did, this is what I do, and this is what I'm continuing doing throughout my journey. Alright, I appreciate that you spend a little bit of your time watching this video, and I really hope that you got some value out of this. And this video was really to help you understand how to handle your online business while also having a debt hanging over your head. I hope you got something out of it and learned something. Hit the thumbs up and drop a comment below. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification if you want to get notified every time I upload a new video. So, I appreciate your time and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.